Good morning, students. In this video you'll be learning about multiple alleles, okay, the human blood inheritance. So here multiple allele means when there is more than 2 alleles for a gene, okay, within a population, then we call that as multiple alleles. And human blood is one of the best example for showing multiple alleles. So here in the blood group we know that there are 4 main types of blood, that is the A, B, AB and O, right? So these are the 4 main types of blood. And then in this A, B, AB and O, this is the phenotype, okay? These are the phenotype, and blood group A and B, they are dominant, okay? And blood group O, it acts as recessive. Clear? So dominant, when in the monohybrid and dihybrid cross, we have learned that the dominant traits will take control over the recessive and they will show the dominant characters. So A and B are dominant in blood group and O is a recessive, okay? So here there is a double box here. You'll have to memorize or you'll have to know this by any means. So in the blood group here, these are the alleles, okay? For blood group A, the alleles are either homozygous, that means IA, same. Then it can be either homozygous or it can be IA with I, or small letter I with one recessive, okay? So these two, when there is allele such as IA or IA small I, then the blood group will be A, okay? And for B, it is either IB, capital B, this is dominant trait, or it can be one dominant and one recessive, IB or I small I, okay? Same here for AB, it can be either IA or IB, okay? Here whenever there is allele IA and IB, since this A and B, blood group A and B, they are dominants, that means they will show both the traits. So the blood group will be A and B together, okay? Here there is both the alleles are dominant. So so this AB blood group, they are codominants, okay? So in such case, when both the traits are shown, we call that as codominance. Clear? And for blood group O, like I've said, O is recessive. That means they will have allele either small I or capital I not 0. Okay, so this is the recessive allele. Clear? So whenever there is small I or this I0, then the blood group will be O. Clear? So O is considered as a universal donor, and then blood group AB is called the universal recipient. Okay, now suppose there may be question in the exam like this: a person with genotype IA and IB will have blood group. So when you see this IA and IB, where is IA and IB? Here, right? So a person with genotype, these are the genotype, okay, the genes, and then the blood group AB and O, these are the phenotypes, okay? And here the alleles, here these are the genotype. So when the person have genotype IA and IB, then the blood group will be AB. So this will be AB, okay? So there may be questions like a person with genotype small I. So a person with genotype small I will have blood group that is O, okay? Now here, suppose if there is IB, then it will be B. Or if there is IA, a person with genotype IA and I, small I, will have blood group A. Okay, so this type, similar type of question may come in your exam. It may come as multiple choice or short question answers. Clear with this? So kindly remember this table. This is very important. You will have to remember the alleles. For blood group A, it is I, capital A, homozygous, or IA, capital A, or small I, heterozygous.